Do you want to speak English about what you did yesterday?
But you don't know how to use the simple past naturally?
Don't worry. In this conversation, you'll hear many easy, simple past sentences.
Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to speak along with us.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
In today's lesson, we're going to learn the simple past tense through a natural conversation.
You'll hear sentences like I went, I watched, I cooked, I visited, and I studied.
So don't just listen. Pause the video and repeat each sentence aloud.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Hey, how was your day yesterday?
It was really good. I went to school in the morning and after that, I came home.
Oh, nice. What did you do after coming home?
I finished my homework first. Then I helped my mother in the kitchen.
What did you cook?
We cooked dinner together. She made rice and I helped her prepare the vegetables.
That sounds nice. Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I did. I studied English for about an hour.
Great. What did you study?
I studied some new words and wrote a few sentences.
Did you write them in a notebook?
Yes, I did. I wrote everything in my English notebook.
What did you do after studying?
I called my friend. We talked for a while.
Did you watch anything after that?
Yes, we watched a movie together.
Really? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, we enjoyed the movie. It was funny and entertaining.
What time did you finish the movie?
We finished it around 9 o'clock.
What did you do then?
I drank a cup of tea and talked to my mother.
Did you clean your room yesterday?
Yes, I did. I cleaned my room before dinner.
Was your room very messy?
Yes, it was. My books were everywhere, so I cleaned everything and arranged my desk.
That must have taken some time.
Yes, it did. But I felt really good after I finished.
Did you go anywhere yesterday?
Yes, in the afternoon, we visited my grandparents.
Oh, that sounds lovely. How was your visit?
It was wonderful. My grandmother cooked my favorite food.
What did she cook?
She cooked my favorite curry and rice.
Did you enjoy the food?
Of course, I really enjoyed it.
Did you play anything with your cousins?
Yes, we played cricket outside.
Who won the game?
My cousin's team won the game.
Oh, did you score any runs?
Yes, I scored a few runs, but then I lost my wicket.
That's okay. Did anything funny happen?
Yes, my cousin tried to catch the ball, but he fell on the ground.
Really? Did everyone laugh?
Yes, everyone laughed. Even he laughed at himself.
Sounds like you had a great day.
Yes, I did. I had a really wonderful day.
Did you arrive home late?
Yes, we arrived home around 8 o'clock.
What did you do after you arrived?
I changed my clothes, had dinner, and cleaned my room again.
You cleaned your room twice?
Yes, I made a mess again after I came home.
That's funny. Did you watch TV before going to bed?
No, I didn't. I was very tired, so I went to bed early.
What time did you sleep?
I slept around 10:30.
Wow, you really had a busy day.
Yes, I did, but I enjoyed every moment.
That's great. I also had a good day yesterday.
Really? What did you do?
I visited my friend. We talked, watched a movie, and ordered some food.
What did you order?
We ordered pizza and cold drinks.
Did you like the pizza?
Yes, it was delicious.
Sounds great.
Yes, we had a lot of fun yesterday.
It sounds like both of us had a great day.
Absolutely.
Sometimes simple days are the best.
I completely agree.
Great job. You just listened to a complete conversation using the simple past tense.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what did you do yesterday?
Try to write at least 3 simple past sentences.
For example, I went to the market, I watched a movie, I cooked dinner.
Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
If you enjoyed this English lesson, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy English practice.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving your English.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye.